viewers, we are going to Raman Science Center, so let's go. Yes, yes. There's a little thing that is wait, slow. Let's go from this side. Alok, let's go from here. It should be shortcut. As you can read, Raman Science Center and Planetarium Nagpur. This wire. Let's be careful. So let's go view. Wait. Let's go. Let's see this first. Let's explore this. Okay. Let me see. Let me just read. Oh, some amazing science. Amazing science. Amber, with the touch of S2 lifted by an invisible hand. Later are intended to be affected to the amber. Charges gradually lost to the look. Let's explore this. Oh, you can see infinite well. Infinite well. Magnetic field. We do. Wait. Magnetic levitation. An electrostatic bouncing ball. Let's go. Let's explore here now. Oh, you can see. Don't touch it here. Oh, what TikTok is here? Oh, I'll touch it. Oh. So, let's explore this. Rising Garlic. Rising Garlic. Touch this button. Oh. Let's go. Let's the Grand Shuttle. Yes. Okay. Let's magnet motion for us. Oh. Oh. Touch it, Alan. Oh. Okay, let's jumping disc. Oh. Jumping disc. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Wait. Now let's see dropping coins. What do we have to do? We don't know. Let's explore this. Curie point. Let's gyromagnetic spinning top. Let's go to mirror maze. Oh. Are we lost or something? When we get back. Oh, we get them back. Okay, let's go. This is the mirror kaleidoscope. Duck under these inner surface are covered with mirrors. You will get amused by seeing your images in various orientations. Basically, this is a kaleidoscope with 3 plane mirrors arranged at 60 degrees along the 3 sides of an equilateral triangle. The mirrors being at equal angles with each other form multiple symmetrical images of the object intersect inside. Let's continue. Okay, let's see this. It's 3D. But how? Let's continue. See this? Can you? Magnetic. We don't know it. Oh, let's explore this. Oh, ghost walk. See or dark. Okay. See or back. Let's see this. My back. Let's oh, laughing mirrors. As you can see. Let's see this. Let's see symmetrical. Oh, you can see. Alok, see this symmetroscope. Let's continue. Read Karko. You see, by turning multiple images can be seen one by one through the mirrors placed at 60 degrees to each other. This is due to reflection symmetry and the device which shows this phenomenon known as symmetroscope. It works similar to kaleidoscope and has mechanical arrangement to produce multiple reflections of the images seen through rectangular. As you can see. Wow. Alok, let's continue now. Yes. Enough with it. Fresnel mirror. Where are you? How is this? Where are you, viewers? Oh, we can see you. Oh, nice. Alok, let's continue. Let's see this. Big screen. What is this resolution of image? This is a. Now let's explore this. Alok, now let's explore this. Shouting pendulum. Look at the height. You can see TV to 117A. Aero engine. This is aero engine of the previous. Yes. Breathing square. Breathing square. Okay. Yes. Oh. Let's now see this. Merry-go-round. Breathing square. Let's merry-go-round or seesaw. Oh. Let's acrobatic umbrella. How? It will pass through this. Let's observe. Oh, yes. See this? Now I got it. Let it continue. This is cyclone. That is happening. You see this? Cyclone is what cyclone will form. Yes, you can see. Whoa, is that like that? Now let's explore water vortex. It will form another. See. Now it is tornado or cyclone. See, you can see. What big cyclone? I never seen. Wow. Let's continue. Let's continue this. See this waterfall. Press the switch and also formation of vortex in water column. The pump at the center. Let's do like that. Now it's from tornado. Now see. Water vortex. Now let's see floating and sinking. Look at the water column and floating fish in it. Now think Which way the fish will move if you blow air up from the bottle? Press the switch. Oh, Papa, पीछे से Now I can. Now let's see Alok. Hello. Now let's see this. Horizontal illusion. I think no, not you. Let's see this. Hyperbolded. I'm confused. Hyperbolded. Alok, let's see this. Moir python. Look, let's explore this. Let's. What's there? Let's push this button. Oh, whoa. Touch the switch. Can you see the rings moving on and down in the sequence? This pattern is kind of a quantum transfer wave. Transfer wave is a moving wave that consists of oscillations occurring perpendicular or at a right angle to the direction of energy transfer. Wave is moving radially out from the center while the rings you see move up and down. Rotate the disc slowly. The hemispheric blue color liquid starts rotating. Wait. Now let's continue. Let's continue from here. Hot air balloon. Wait, let's press this button. Now wait. It will fly. Touch the switch. The hot air gets all air starts sitting inside the balloon. Also the digital inside and outside the digital meter. At some time energies the starts soaring high in the air. You can see that. Please wait, it's heating up. Yes. Oh. I will come down. Let's continue. Let's continue from this side. See this? So resonating again. Now you can see illusion with rings. Let's press. Oh, see. Illusion. Now let's explore this. Weird globe. Oh! Let's see this. Let's reach now let's see this. Now let's go here, Alok. Alok. Now let's see this. Reflection. Keep your head reflecting. No. Now I will see. Oh, how it is. Let's continue. Serious? Yes. Ashok, let's continue here. Which I draw. I don't know. Open and close. 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 Wait. Yes. Alok, let's see this. Alok, can I guess this? Alok, let's continue. This is escape velocity. Okay, let's see this. No, this is not this. Oh, I don't know. Round and round to your left, right. Round and round to left and right. Alok sees count the black dot. Now let's see. Count the black dot. It's so boring. Alok, 1, 2, 3. There's no black dot. Alok, let's see. Variable length pedal of it. Alok, let's see this. Can you read this? No, this is written in Italian. So can you read this? If you can read this, you have a straight mind. Straight. I could not believe that. I could not actually power of the human mind. According to a research at Cambridge University, it doesn't matter in what order the letters in the word are. The only prominent thing is that the first and fast later in the right place. Right place, the forest can be a total mess, and you can still read it without a problem. This is because the human mind is not reading English letter by itself. But the word as a whole. Yay! Let's see. Crack the coin. It's floating. How? The coin looks okay. See. Let's continue. Now let's see this. Optic fiber. Oh! Now optic fiber. Let's see these types. Yes, because orbiting the Earth. Because Moon controls the waves of and tides of the ocean. Yes. See this. This exhibit is under maintenance. Okay. Day and night. It's this. I can't see. That is moon. Now let's continue. Alok, let's continue. Alok, serious? Now let's read this. Alok, let's do it together. Let it be, Alok. Let it be. Let's explore. Storage. What is this? Oh, so beautiful. Oh, National Space Day. From ancient space to modern horizons. Exhibition of space heritage in India. Let's see that. Let's see. Yeah. Wait, Mummy, you must have. Now let's go. Yeah. How can we? How can we need to get a ball. Let's wait for what is this? Alok, let's play this.
सामने जानवर है
Oh, no, what is this? I think shadow would mirror it. जब तुम आउटर लाइन हो इधर Let's go. Let's see its geographical map. Alok, let's see this first. Same Bhopal. Wait now. What is Sir, do not touch. Do not touch. Let's This is Pragyan rover. This is ISRO. This is Vikram rover. We have sent this in. Let's